Need to control your audio with OBS Blade. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust, mute, and manage your audio sources using the OBS Blade app. Yeah, it's a pretty quick setup, and by the end, you'll be able to control your stream audio without sitting at your computer. First, make sure OBS Blade is already connected to your OBS Studio on your computer. If the connection isn't active yet, finish that setup before moving on, because audio controls only work after the app is linked to OBS. Once you're connected, open the audio or mixer section inside OBS Blade. Depending on your app version, you might see it on the main dashboard or inside the control menu. You should now see all of the audio sources from your OBS scene. Now simply drag the volume slider for any source you want to adjust. Move it up to increase the volume or down to lower it. As you make changes, OBS updates those levels in real time, so you can monitor everything instantly. If you need to quickly silence a source, tap the mute button next to it. Tap it again to unmute whenever you're ready. It's especially useful if you want to mute your microphone or game audio during a live stream without switching back to your computer. While you're making adjustments, keep an eye on the audio meters. They help you see whether your microphone or other sources are active and whether the levels are staying in a healthy range without clipping. And that's how you control audio with OBS Blade. Pretty straightforward once everything is connected. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more OBS tutorials for additional tips and features. Thanks for watching.